Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for being here today. I'm going to do a quick video of an unboxing of the Hero Arts My Hero May card kit. And it comes like this, and it's always nicely wrapped. It's always a nice presentation. And inside here we've got all of our goodies. There are two main packets of material here, so let's start by taking this apart and we'll see what the stamp set is like. Here's the first packet. Now here's the stamp set, and it's, as always, it's got a ribbon around it. This is a very pretty satin ribbon, and I'm sure it will go good with a card or two that I make. So I'll point out a few things in here. We have the dog, an apple, a bird. Let's see, we've got that apple and a pear. And there's this little chipmunk, he's so cute. Let's see, and then we've got lots of people, little girls and little boys, and then some older kids as well. Now inside we've got a lot of dies, so that's really cool. All together we have, I believe it's 13 coordinating dies. I'll give it a count here for you in a second. And then we've also got this really pretty frame die. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, 15 dies, then that pretty frame, and then the oval that goes with it, which of course could be used separately, but I'll probably leave it together for a while. Now, we've also got this little instruction sheet. It shows how to use the tree stamp. So we've got a tree trunk and all the little different branches, and so it's showing you how to put that together. So I think that's really nice. And then they also show you how you would put one of the people from the swing hanging off, so that really helps, I think, to understand how to use it. So let's take a look at the dies and the stamp set a little bit closer. I'm going to take each die and put them where they belong. So we see we've got one for the little boy, one for the little girl on the swing, and then here's another kind of a little older girl, it appears, on the swing, and then we've got the boy up here who has his arm up to hold the kite, and then we've got the girl as well who is there to hold up the kite. Next we've got the little boy on the bicycle, and then the dog. We've got one here for the cat as well, so it's kind of nice that all the animals so far has it. And then of course there's this cute little chipmunk. Who doesn't love chipmunks? I can't resist one. And then we have some fruit. There's the pear there, and as well a small apple, which is really cool. So we can see that all of the people figures and all of the animal figures except the bird have dies. Then there's two small leaves, which has coordinating dies as well. And then there's these two large dies that don't have a stamp, but they're there for making leaf shapes, which is kind of nifty as well. And then let's take a look again at the fancy window die, which is very neat. We've got the oval frame, which is connected here right now, and then it cuts out the tree with the swing. And I'm going to leave it connected for a while because it's perfectly spaced right now. But eventually I will probably cut it up. Now here is the second packet. Let's take a look at what's inside of there. More goodies, obviously. And what we have first are these ivory skeleton leaves. There should be 5 of them in this packet according to the Hero Arts website. Then we've got some leaf patterned washi tape. Now it indicates in their website that this pattern will vary. So this happens to be the pattern that I got, which is very nice. I like that. And then we have 4 sheets of handmade hot pressed watercolor paper. It's 140 pound. It's got a lot of texture. It's very thick. It's going to be great for using watercolor. Can't wait to use it. And then we've got this really cool tree swirl stencil, and it's 5 1/4 by 6 1/2. So there's all different ways you could use it, halfway like this, or in the full shape like I showed a second ago. So this is going to be a lot of fun to use. So all in all, here is the entire kit, including the ribbon that comes with it and the washi tape. Stay tuned because I'm going to try my hand at making a few cards with this kit and showing you what I come up with. Well, thanks for joining me. I hope you've had a great day, and if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. I'll see you soon, but until then, keep crafting. Bye.